What are the second one is the secondary creep, or we can say the steady state creep. What the other name is steady state creep. First was transient creep. Second one is steady state. So what are the steady? What is a steady state creep? First one, the description. What description? The strain rate becomes nearly constant. That's why it is written the steady state. Steady is what? Something is not changing with the time. If any behavior instinct which is not changing with the time, it is known as steady state. So steady state means the strain rate becomes nearly constant. It means whatever the rate at which the strain is, having there, that would be a constant. Okay, what is the rate that is constant? Because work hardening is balanced by the material, softening due to the atomic diffusion. So this is the reason behind that why they get stability, or you can say they are they get a constant rate of a strain. Okay, so if we talk about the graph, the linear increasing in a strain over the time. So what the kind of the graph that we will get? The linear increase in strain over time. That is the graph, how the graph will be like. Okay, if we talk about what the effect that this stage determines the material's creep's life as it lasts the longest. So it is the main part which define the creep life of the materials. Okay, so this is the important part. As we have seen that for the primary it is a short duration and not a major concern. Okay, for application. But if we talk about the secondary one, that is the determine the materials creep life. So it is important.